Oh, that's cute. Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the new version of viziuuy, the new camera outdoor, and this camera connect 2.4 or 5 gig Wi-Fi, and also you have a built-in speaker, and the model is going to be VZ-5D3. That's going to be the new version. Let's look at the box. On top you can see the picture. On the side, both on this side too. For support, here you have it directly on the box. On this side they tell you how to use it. Let's look inside, or let's do the unboxing. You have a sticker you can put on your window to tell you this is 24 hours surveillance. A sticker to put it on the ceiling or on the wall. A quick guide start and tell you everything inside, how to use it. Here you have the camera with 2 antennas, speaker outside. You can mount on the wall or ceiling. You can put it on the other side if you want. And USB connection, the cable with the USB, and some screw and some mount to install on the wall or ceiling. Okay, so let's plug it in. So he show you everything that he can do. And voila. So this is going to be the QR you need for the camera. But when it's time to download, let me show you. First thing you need to do, you need to go on your app and download Cloud Edge. So you press Cloud Edge. You have a plus, you add a device. You press download. That's what telling you he's going to make sure the device is power on and everything. You need to make sure. And now I need to wait. So here he said he had successful the camera. He downloaded. So press next. Done. Next. Wait. And voila. Okay, so here you have the cloud storage plan. You have 3 choice: or if you want, you can put it free. It's going to be free if you install a micro SD card inside the camera. If you install inside, it always depends how much memory. If you put a lot of memory, that's going to be good. So me, what I'm going to do next. No, I don't want to, no way, I don't want to subscribe now, forget it. Let me show you. Here, that's going to be what we see exactly. Probably the...
Oh, same way.
Let me show you what exactly we can see. Okay. Okay, here you have some setting. You have live, you have your history, and you have your cloud. But you can always go on history. Here you have hold to talk if you want to talk to the person. Here you have some screenshot. Plus the recording if you want to record directly. Let's go on the other side. You have the light at night. You have a sirene. And you have some more future. You have more feature. Okay, here I have more setting. You have your storage. Here you have the sound, the privacy, the light setting, and all the rest, the record, the ring, and the connection. Here you tell you your strength of your Wi-Fi. Me is 100%. Plus it tell you the number of the camera, and this is the time zone. I hope this is helpful to and I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up, and see you in another one.